A 65-year-old man cancels knee surgery after using this for a week. Dr. Ralph Guardia probably just changed the way we look at knee problems forever. In fact, his knee candy works so well he was able to cancel his own knee replacement surgery after using it for a few days. Now he's finally sharing this joint rebuilding method with the public in hopes of helping more people avoid surgery. The best part is this new method only takes a few minutes each day, and thousands of Americans have already started using it with incredible results. See exactly what this joint rebuilding method is and the X-ray that proves it works. If you are considering knee surgery, you might consider knee candy gummies. For more information, go to daryl.com/jointpain to get the details. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and tell your friends about this.